Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a small Temu haul to share with you. I do have a Temu code that you can use if you're new to Temu or reinstated your app. So go ahead and use that. You can even save some more money with the $100 bundle on there. So yeah, let's get ahead and check out this little bag of goodies. Okay, I have a little bit of everything. Most of it is Halloween that I want to show you, but there are some little extras in here. The first thing I want to show you, and I've been on an acrylic kick with Temu because their acrylic pendants are on point. If you haven't seen my other videos, I will link them below. But look at these. These are on, this is next level. So they do have the little sticky, the little plastic to protect it. And this one you do get 10 of them, and this is a Halloween one. Look at that. And you do get 10, and they are a good thickness, so they don't feel cheap. But yeah, look at all that. That is real nice. So I got those. So yeah, you need to check out their acrylics. They've outdid themselves in acrylics. Okay, another thing I want to show you are the Pompom trim. I did get some orange. I hauled some other ones that had a lot more, but the orange, because I think of Halloween, all the bigger bundles were already sold out. So I was able to get at least, I think this is either a yard or two, maybe 2 yards. But I did get the orange. I got that one. And I also got a lime green. I thought this would be more, that would be brighter than what it is. But this one still does work for my Halloween crafting. Look at that. That's real nice. I just wish I was able to snag the ones that had bigger bundles that I've bought on a previous video. Alright, I also got some nail charms. And I use these to put, well, I use these to add to my beadable pins. So I can make like different type of beads and whatnot. So I do use that on that, and I also use this on embellishments. So I got these skulls. Let me open this one. Now that. And this gives me Monster High, which I do love. And I love pink, black, and white. Love it. Look at that. Look at all that cuteness. Look at that. So I got those. I just wish they gave more of it. I want a big bag. Got those ones there. And then I also hauled these ones, which also are nail charms. And these are the little bows with the skull. I believe you get a pink and the white skull. Yeah. I got those. Oh, I also got another set of acrylics. And this was a mixed one. Look at that. So you get the flower with the skull. And like I said, it does have a protective so it doesn't scratch. This one is a skull with the bandana, a heart skull, I believe you had 2 each, yeah. And then you got the skull with the hat. And these are great size, great thickness. And they don't feel cheap at all. Love it. So those are nice. Telling you, if you haven't jumped on those, I recommend you jump on them. Okay, I got some more nail charms, and these are coffins. Look how cute these are. Look at that. How cute are those? This is another thing. I wish I was able to get a big bag of this. I got those, and they come in pink, red, white, black. So yeah, so I got those ones. Also got some appliques. And these are stars. And also use these on embellishments. So you do get some blue, red, some like a lavender, a pink, orange, gold. I think that's all the colors. Yeah. So that would be great for embellishment, not just Halloween, but a lot of different holidays, even birthdays. Oh, you even got a silver. So yeah, so I got those ones. Oh, check these out. These are charms that I bought. Now I had them in my cart one time and they sold out. So when it came back again, I snagged them up. And these are kind of big. Look at these. They get a little mummy. And these are charms. You get a little mummy. You get 3 mummies. No, 4 mummies. You get 4 mummies. And then you get this bear that has his eye falling out. And these are actually really nice. They're real nice. A resin. Yeah. You got those. I think I'm going to get more of those. I like those. Next thing I have is a die. And this one says, "Too cute to spook." And this does have a layering piece. So I like that. I also got, I thought there was more than just 5. But I got some heart cabochons. And I thought, I'm going to have to look because I thought it came with 10. I have to double look. I have to look again. I got 5 of them. Yeah, I'm going to have to look. Because I swore it was 10 for the price. But yeah, so I got 5. Purple, blue, green, yellow, and pink. This one's kind of, I love the product. I swore it was 10, but I'll double check. So if it was 10 and I only got 5, that's prune, and I want my money back. But I do like those. I have to see what the price is. Next one I have is some more appliques, and these are bows. And they're the same as the stars, except for being bows. Look at that one. Just so you get the yellow, actually gold, silver, pink, blue, orange, purple. You get some red, and then a darker pink. Real nice. Love that too. And then I also got some butterflies. I don't know if it's made, I'm going to see if it's made out of paper or what. So let's see these. Okay, this is actually like a thin fabric. I forgot what you call it, but it's almost like a ribbon. Yeah, it's almost like a thin ribbon. It does got a little gemmy, and it's double layered. Yeah, it is double layered. That is actually pretty. This is pretty. Now I bought this because you know Michaels does carry some butterflies in the Halloween section, but I wanted to see if Temu had anything like that, and I found these. I did find some paper ones that I bought last year, but I wanted something else. So, but I did find these here, and it's not too bad. That's the one in pink, and then I also found them in black. I just wish they were bigger. But it's the same deal. Yeah, it's like a ribbon. Double layer, and does have a little gemmy in the middle. They're still cute. Look at that. Love it. I do like it. I just want a bigger one. So I got that one. And then I did haul some gold and silver. Almost like a twine, so I could put on embellishments. You do get a good amount, but I did find some that were different colors, and they gave more. So I'm gonna see if they got silver and gold in those colors too. But I also got those here. That's actually real nice. I like that. And then I did get some nails, some Halloween nails. I want to try some out. And if these work pretty good, I got a lot of them in my cart ready to go and buy. So yeah, I wanted to try this sticker. So you put the sticker on your fingernail, and then you put your nails on there. They're actually real pretty. I like these. Yeah, look at that. Oop, don't want to break it. Don't want to lose it already. So I got those. And then I did get this one also here, which is the black and spiderweb. I thought that was gorgeous. And these were no more than $2. Most of them were $1 something. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Now we'll be trying these out. That one. Now, last thing I want to show you are these little plastic bags that I bought. Look at that. So you get 10 of them, and these were actually not a bad price. But you do get 10 of them, and they're regular plastic. I got this so I was gonna put embellishment, not embellishment, but like what you call it, ephemera in there and divide it. But I got some little containers for that instead. So I'll see what I use these for. But these are great. Like little plastic. Everyone uses as a swap. But yeah, that is my Temu haul I wanted to share with you. There's some great buys. Now, if anything is still available, I will put the links below. So you go ahead and grab one if there's something that you like. Leave a comment below. Let me know if there's something that you found that maybe I might like, because we all know Temu has a lot of stuff. But yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you do know when I upload another video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.